Okay, so let's continue with these progressive tenses. So we've just done the present progressive. Present progressive is an action that we are doing now. Progressive. The past progressive is very different. The past progressive is two actions in the past, one progressive action happening before the second action. In fact, the second action interrupts the first progressive action. For example, I was watching the television when you arrived. The first action is progressive. I was watching television. The second action is in the simple past, when you arrived. Now, this is quite common to use in English. So let's have a look at some films, some examples. Now, before we move on to the examples, we've just explained that the past progressive takes the form of one action happening before another in the past. But actually, the past progressive has two forms. The second form is where we use two actions that are happening at the same time in the past. For example, I was sleeping while you were working. So we have two actions happening at the same time in the past and finishing at the same time in the past, as you can see from the diagram just on my left. Again, this is quite a common tense in English. So let's have a look at those videos.
Usamos o passado progressivo para duas ações no passado, uma ação antes da outra, a segunda ação interrompendo a primeira ação.
Renata, what were you doing this morning when I called you?
I was taking a shower when you called me this morning.
Renata, when you woke up this morning, was it raining?
No, when I woke up this morning, the sun was shining.
What's that, Renata?
I found some money on the floor.
Renata found some money while she was walking.